So taking a look here at number 30, we are still factoring, and you're probably seeing a pattern here, right? We have several questions that have to do with factoring. So I would be prepared to see several factoring problems on your final exam. All right, so make sure you're comfortable with factoring all of the different methods. And we've been given the trinomial 15x squared plus 19x plus 6. All right, question number 1, is there a GCF? Well, I don't see a GCF, so let's take a look at question 2. How many terms are there? Well, 1, 2, 3 terms. And we know with 3 terms, we're either going to be factoring by AC method, trial and error method, the scissors method. I'm going to go ahead and use the scissors method here. And the scissors method says take factors of your leading coefficient, so 15, take factors of your constant, and 6, and list them. So what are the factors of 15? Well, 1 times 15, 2 doesn't work. How about 3 and 5? And I think that's it. How about 6? Well, 1 times 6, 2 times 3, and again, I think that's it. And when we factor with scissors, we always want to start with the factors that are closest together numerically, right? 2 and 3 are closer together than 1 and 6, just like 3 and 5 are closer together than 1 and 15. So let's start with the factors that are closest together. We're going to stack these factors. And let's try this combination first and see what happens. With scissors, we're going to cross multiply, and the reason it's called scissors is because you can kind of create a little pair of scissors out of this cross multiplication here. So we have 3 times 3 gives us 9, 5 times 2 gives us 10. Can we, in some combination, add a 10 and a 19 together to get positive 19? Well, yeah, we sure can. If the 10 is positive and the 9 is positive, when we add these two numbers together, we get positive 19. And whatever sign you put with the cross product is going to bounce over. So in this case, we put a plus with each of our cross products, so that plus bounces over. And now we're going to wrap our original terms, or our factors rather, horizontally to get 3x plus 2. And down here, we'll get 5x plus 3. And these are our two terms now for when we factor. We end up with 3x plus 2, 5x plus 3, and there you have it. On a test, you can check yourself. You can FOIL these binomials together, and you should end up with the original trinomial that we started with. If you were to FOIL these things together and you don't get the original trinomial, then you know something went wrong. These are not the correct factors. But if you were to FOIL these together, you would end up back where we started. So there's number 30. We used the scissors method. Again, you don't have to. You can use trial and error. You can use the AC method. I am partial to scissors. I think it's the fastest and most accurate way of figuring out what your factors are, of actually factoring. But whatever gets you to the right answer, if you're comfortable with it, go for it.